This video is to help homeowners check the oil in the event that you are running on the generator for 4, 5, 6, 7 days. There's a specific process that you have to follow. This is a 20 kW Generac, same as for any air-cooled generator, but yours might be different, but the logic is the same. The unit obviously is not running right now, but during a power outage, obviously it will be running. First thing you want to do is turn the breaker off at the generator, which is here, just like that. It says on and off. This is a little bit of an older unit. Some newer units will have the circuit breaker here. This is your board, the control board. It's already off. When you're running in a power outage, it'll be in auto, and it'll say something here. I have no idea what. That box that says Generac on it is the transfer switch. So while it's running, it's going to be loud. You turn that off, the circuit breaker off, wait 2 minutes, come here, turn this off, the engine will stop running, wait for everything to stop, wait about a minute. This front panel comes off, you lift it up and out. That's your dipstick. That's the oil fill. It even says it on there, oil fill. Take the dipstick out. It's got to be between the holes at the bottom, towards the bottom of the dipstick. The dipstick is, I don't know, 18 inches long. I can't focus it, but there it is. In between. You want to be towards the top. A little bit below is not the end of the world. So to check the oil, take the dipstick out, wipe it clean with a rag, put it back in, and check it again. When you have to add, you add very little at a time. Very little is 1/4 of a quart, and check it. Each time you got to do the same process, cleaning it off, putting it back in, and so on and so forth. When you go to turn it back on, press auto, let it start, wait about 30 seconds after it has started, let it run for 30 seconds, come back, and then reverse the position of those breakers. That top breaker is for that outlet. Newer units do not have that anymore. If you want to be nice to your neighbors, you can run an extension cord to it. This is a mobile link. Lost the antenna as usual. It's the battery down there. This is the oil filter. That's the oil warmer around the filter. That's the air filter. Don't worry about any of that stuff. Just worry about turning it on and off. Keep in mind, when you do this, some instances it will not turn back on because you need a valve adjustment. So you do this at your own risk. Thank you.